Hello, everyone. Marie Burns here. Welcome to a new year, a new start, a new way to do something, perhaps an opportunity to improve your life. At least that's how we often start the new year, right? I encourage you to take advantage of those good intentions and get yourself headed in the right direction, whether for you that's related to your health, your home, your relationships, or your money. You may have thought about or already acted on updating your wardrobe or closet or remodeling a room in your living space. I bet you enjoyed at least part of that remodel process. So maybe we could all benefit from the fun aspect of remodeling and apply it to something we don't often consider fun, like money. Have you done a money remodel yet? A remodel, according to the dictionary, means to remake the structure or style, to fashion anew. That sounds way more fun than organizing your finances, doesn't it? But that is what a money remodel can accomplish. And we all likely have room for improvement in that area of getting our financial house in order, which is why I wrote a book about exactly that topic. So you might be wondering, why on earth should we care about a money remodel in the first place? When we think about it, getting and staying organized is really the foundation for making wise financial decisions, because an overwhelmed or confused mind does not usually think clearly, therefore perform effectively. So compiling a summary and much of the detail regarding your current financial situation can actually have many benefits. It will assist you now and throughout your life to do things like saving you time, whether it's paying bills, finding information, or doing taxes. It helps to keep your documents easily available and findable on an everyday basis, as well as during an emergency. It can help you eliminate missed opportunities, avoid penalties, and/or missed payments, and in the end, really giving you financial peace of mind, especially just remembering what you have in place. Additionally, people you care about will absolutely need to know this information, either if you become incapacitated or for sure after you're gone. So let me share some tips and tools as a guide to, number one, the content needed to capture your current financial snapshot in one convenient location. That's key. Two, to help you think through and prepare so that your wishes are known and implemented when needed. And three, to remind you to communicate with advisors or family or both about this topic. So before we can really get started on a money remodel, we first must make sure that our files are current. So do the titles, whether they're electronic or on paper, reflect the statements that you receive? So is it saying where or what type of account? Do you have complete files? Do you have files for all of your banking, any IRA, annuity, retirement types of accounts, non-retirement accounts? And on the debt side, any loans, credit cards, mortgage statements? And then are they in alphabetical or some other logical order, somewhere that's findable, either in a file, a binder, a secure online folder? So once you have a labeled file for everything, you can begin. We need to start with a financial snapshot. To better organize what we have, we really have to take an inventory and sometimes remind ourselves of what do we have. So an inventory of our finances. You can check out my link for My Financial Life at a Glance. It's just a worksheet that I designed when working with clients to really summarize it all in one page. And perhaps that becomes the first page in a summary binder or a summary folder or a summary file that you compile. Once you have that overall snapshot, we really need to review the detail of that inventory, mostly to help you confirm whether you have homework to do or not. And most of the time we do. So you'll be looking at, is everything titled and beneficiaried correctly to go to wherever your wishes are. My net worth summary, there's a link below, is an example of an expanded version of a net worth statement that you could compile to confirm all of that detail. So in other words, that you have or have not told your assets where to go. Once all of this is compiled, you really need to consider giving a copy to someone you trust, or at least telling someone that needs to know where to find the information when needed. I know I personally like and use the idea of a summary binder. It is truly my financial life at a glance binder. It has that one-page summary, then the detailed my net worth summary, and a tab for a year-end statement from every asset or loan that was listed on the net worth summary. So all of the other remaining details like original paperwork or original contracts, trade confirmations for taxable accounts, past statements, all of that can be stored in the filing cabinet or electronically, whatever is your preference. But so if there's a fire or you need to grab something in a hurry, you know exactly what to grab, this binder. Or if my executor or financial power of attorney needs to know what there is, now they know what to grab too when needed. Some of us maybe are finding ourselves helping aging parents. Perhaps we have adult children that could use some resources in this area. Or many of us are at that time of life where we're trying to declutter and organize or simplify our lives for ourselves. Might want to check out my checklist for making things easier for our family before we're gone below too. Whatever your reason, congratulations for at least thinking about providing this gift to yourself and those you care about. What a great way to start the year.